In this video, we break down Proverbs chapter 6, verse 16 through 19, the 7 things the Most High hates, with Torah-only truth. There's no church doctrine, no New Testament, just raw scriptures and real-life examples so you can recognize sin, repent, and avoid destruction. If you're struggling spiritually, this is a warning. Continue down the wrong path, it will surely bring you judgment. I'll show you how pride, lying, violence, wicked thoughts, mischief, false witness, and sowing discord are destroying people today, and how to change. Let's read Proverbs chapter 6, 16 through 19 together. There are 6 things the Lord hates, 7 that are detestable to him: haughty eyes, a lying tongue, hands that shed innocent blood, a heart that devises wicked plans, feet that rush to evil, a false witness, and one who spread discord amongst brothers. The last one, sowing discord, that's called an abomination. Torah says an abomination is filth, is disgusting to the Most High. Deuteronomy 7 and 26 warns not to bring it into your life. So now let's really get an understanding what he's talking about. First up is pride. You know that energy always need to be on top, flexing, never wrong, can't be corrected. Well, Proverbs 16 and 18 says pride comes before destruction. You might not see it yet, but a hard fall is coming if you don't humble yourself. Isaiah 2 and 11 confirms it. Those haughty eyes will be brought low. Let's get to the next one. Lying. Not just little fibs, but full-blown false teachings, scamming people, lying to look righteous, just lying for no apparent reason. These are the people you can't believe a word that come out of their mouth. Torah says, Exodus 20:16, don't bear false witness. We also see the same warning in Leviticus 19 and 11. Don't lie to each other. Proverbs 19 and 5 warns that lies are going to catch up with you. Now you got shed innocent blood. This isn't metaphorical. We're talking about murder, violence, shedding blood without cause. Torah says it's clear. Genesis 9 and 6, blood for blood. And in Exodus 23 and 7, don't kill the innocent. This isn't something the Most High overlooks either. Then there's the heart that plots wickedness, the schemes, the setups, the secret dirt people do for gain. And Micah 2 and 1 says, woe to those who plot iniquity, even your private thoughts. Proverbs 15:26 says that they're an abomination if they're wicked. The Most High sees it all. What about folks who are quick to run to evil? Always the first one chasing drama, sin, and chaos. Torah hits this hard in Isaiah 59 and 7 and Proverbs 1 and 16. Feet that rush to evil are walking straight into destruction. So slow down, think before you run. False witness, that's lying on other people, whether it's in court, social media, or your own family. False witnesses destroy people's lives. Torah says in Deuteronomy 19:16 through 19, false witnesses get the punishment they tried to put on others. Exodus 23 and 1, don't spread a false report. Simple. And finally, the one called an abomination, sowing discord among brothers, that's stirring up drama, dividing your own people for clout, ego, or just being messy. Torah says in Leviticus 19:17 through 18, don't hate your brother, don't hold a grudge. In Psalms 133 and 1 tells us how good it is for your brother to dwell in unity. But when you break that unity, that's what the Most High detests. Listen, the Most High hates those 6 things. But that last one, number 7, sowing division among your brothers, that's the abomination in the list that will bring curses on you and your family. The Torah is clear. Deuteronomy 30 and 19 says life and death are set before you, the blessings and the curses. This isn't about your feelings. It's either you choose life and repent and walk with the Most High, the God of Israel, or you choose death. The choice is yours. Shalom.